Hi everybody, Dave and Kathy Hyde here. We're going to see some unusual things.
The steamboat trade with an eye on the wick, and a whistle to the ships that are bound for the bay, running for a lee. And the keeper of the light on Michigan Island, the candle in the night for the steamboat trade with an eye on the wick, and a whistle to the ships that are bound for the bay, running for a lee. Father took the oath of office, and we packed our family. We sailed the open water, and the keeper's duty. We live by regulation. By 10 a.m. each day, we clean the lands and lanterns that were lightships on their way.
Here's a story. Fred Smith lived in this house here, and he owned, this was his bar next door. And so what he did over about a 30 to 40 year span is he created this wonderful park, which after he passed away, his family donated it to the county, and it's preserved today. They do accept donations. There is no charge. And all these wonderful sculptures he did. And now it's part of America. Scenic roadside attractions. But a wonderful one. A lot of work went into this. And he passed away in the 80s. So this has been a park for as long as we've been coming with our boys. Friends of Fred Smith Historical House. It is a gallery gift shop. They do accept donations to help in the preservation. Kind of fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, this was all built by one person. What he did was he mixed concrete and he mixed it with glass and built all of these sculptures. Yeah. But he ran the bar right next door, and he had nothing to do in the mornings and up until time to open his bar. So he came out and he did all these sculptures over about a 30-year period. This is in Phillips, Wisconsin. It's right off of Highway 13, which is right over here. And it's a Wisconsin County concrete park. When he passed away, his family donated it to the county. to create a park to keep all of this here. He did allow people to come in while he was building it and in his lifetime too. So if you're going to create all this art, you want people to come in and enjoy it. You can see here the horses, and then the calf nursing. It's just something, there's nothing like this. There's absolutely nothing like this. When you're traveling around, we've come here many times in the past as we were going up north when I was going to visit my parents, or when we were going to go visit my parents. We'd come up Highway 13, and our boys really loved this park. We'd always take a break here. And these are our moose, the calf that's again shown here nursing. A donkey or a jackass elevated up in the back so that he's showing him kicking. Some soldiers. You can see one of the horses here, head fell off. But the people in the wagon still drinking and enjoying themselves. Something about a double wedding. Just a very, very unusual place.
Yes.
You see roadside attractions all over the country. But this is somebody's creative abilities that was enjoying himself, and he made the Wisconsin County Concrete Park. The gentleman's name was Fred Smith. He passed away in the 80s, and the property was donated by his family to the county to create this park, which is still here for everybody to enjoy today. This is Iwo Jima. And it's a sign, but you can see it's made out of concrete, and he does have his colored stones in there, and there's some of the glass up in the flag. Well, some of the glass everywhere. Check out the back side, Fred's drawing of himself passing through the gates of heaven. So that's how Fred Smith envisioned himself, passing through the gates of heaven. So he went on, but he left so much behind. So on that note, we're going to end this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Fred Smith left a whole lot for people to enjoy over the years, and we hope you liked this video. If you did, please click that like button. Give us a comment down below, and please subscribe to our channel. Love you all. That's how we're going to end it.